Hello, my name is Kahng. I own dental laboratory in Chicago. Name is LSK 121 Oral Prosthetics. 121, a lot of people questioning the what stands for that one. One day I'm thinking where I'm going. What did I do? So I look at the Bibles and then I look at it, the Psalms 121. I really like that verse, which is, where is my help come from? At that moment, I put it into L is my first name, S is my middle name, K is my last name. I put to LSK 121. I was poor. My mother is a single mom. They divorced when I was 2. I was not satisfied because I really want to go to good school, but I cannot. But I decided I have to get the better dream, the pursuing. I was involved with the baseball players as a great pitcher. All of a sudden, my arms is broke down. The doctor said, you need surgery. You cannot do it 1 year, 2 years. I was desperate. 17 years old boy, not much I can do. Came down to California, and then after 1 year later, moved to Washington, D.C. And then after 7, 8 years later, I met my girlfriend, which is my wife now. They moved to Chicago. I was upset pretty much about my arms, but now realize it, God gave me this is the problem. You know why? Because my wife all the time told me, look, if your right hand is no harm, you will not going to hire an employee. That's she told me all the time. So 10 years ago, this CAD/CAM technology out there, they start to the booming, especially dental laboratory scanner. So I was looking at the dental laboratory scanner, and then one of the guy introduced actually Felix. I could see he's very smart guy, and then he knows what he's doing. Imagine is not only the seller, which is milling company, but also they try to have the education, which is what I want to know. I was really looking for the mill in-house, and problem is, at that moment, we cannot design. We have to send it out to they mill for us. I met Felix. Felix has what I want. It's all geometry, the platform, there's like, bingo. And of course, I got the machine that I see the differentiations between the another IMS core D3 and D5. Most likely, is most impressive is water fountain. That's why I really love it, because when you mill with the milling block with this 7 hour, I think it's probably going to broke right away, or it's useless sooner or later. But the water will have to do really well. I want to see the real quality oriented and the time measurement predictability from the single abutment to all the way hybrid bar, thin ball type in a full mouth cases. I don't want to get the tool broke while they're milling. That's a pain in the butt. Right? Think about it, it's 5, 6 hours, 7 hours, because we do have a lot of full mouth case, the big case, top and bottom. It takes at least 7 hours, 8 hours, possible they mill, right? So whenever during the mill they broke it, any other hazard problem, I don't like that. So this one so far, I don't have any problem. That's what I'm looking for actually. It's just time, consistency, and predictability. That's why I bought the iMill, because those kinds is convenient and the more predictability, and the rare cases we can do the better than any other machines and with the time frame. That's why I bought the iMilling machine. When Imagine came to install the iMill machine, it's really the predictable, and that they know what they're doing. Of course, we set up the 230 voltage and the airline, and they gave us the whole guidance to what we're going to do. Those kind of support is really helpful from the Imagine company. Imagine is my right-hand guy. So they geometry, and they know all the implant platform. So that's my biggest help actually. So they gave us really good information, what I need. That's very imperative in order to working with the machine and expedite it, our production line, increase our productivity, those kinds of things, very imperative. And whenever I call The imaging, they all the time answer. They just give us a great guide. Not only me, it's my crew. So it's really convenient factors. Otherwise, the business is tough. I mean, I cannot grow without good partner. So I highly recommend the Imagens. If you're thinking about the imaging company and you do have a concern or any question or the problem, so Imagen is the right guy and they'll help you all what you need. And please contact them. I guarantee this imaging company, highly recommended.